What's up, Ninja Nerds? Thanks to you guys, we did it. We reached 1 million subscribers. Woo woo!
Yeah!
Oh. Come on!
Yay!
Ninja Nerds, it's amazing to think that a couple of years ago, us three were working at a community college tutoring, to now we're able to help out over 1 million subscribers across the globe. To imagine that and to understand that is absolutely unbelievable, and we're so thankful for you and your support.
Thank you guys so much. We love what we do. We're so happy with what we do. We want to keep doing this for a long time, and it's all because of you guys. We're making medicine and science accessible to people all over the world, and we couldn't be more proud to do that.
And we're so happy to have you guys along with the journey with us, to grow and to spread our knowledge and to give it to you guys and to allow you guys to give it back to us. It's just been an amazing journey, and we really appreciate it. So we want to say thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ninja Nerds. We love you guys so much, and it's truly because of you that where we're at today, and all the things that we're able to do is because of you. So we love you, we thank you, and we just want to continue to keep saying that. And Ninja Nerds, as always, until next time. Come on, dang it!